Hello, this is Dr. Hui Liu from San Jose, California, United States. My email is ibridgepy@gmail.com. ibridgepy is an easy-to-use Python platform to help traders to build algorithm trading robots. It can backtest and live trade with interactive brokers, Robinhood, and TD Ameritrade. You can download iBridgePy from www.ibridgepy.com. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel because more tutorials are coming. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about how to get real-time prices from interactive brokers in iBridgePy. The first thing you need to make sure is you need to have the correct data package from interactive brokers. Some data packages are free, for example, Forex data. Most of data packages are not. If you are not sure which data packages you need, the best way to find it out is to give interactive broker representative a call and ask them what's the data package you need, and they will help you to choose the best data package. Then the next thing is the concept of security. iBridgePy can trade any contracts at interactive brokers. Use the concept of security. Each security is representing one contract at IB security system. So you can watch this YouTube tutorial video to get more knowledge about security. Then find the contract that you want to trade at IB's contract database, this one. Then you can use either symbol or superSymbol. These are two built-in functions from iBridgePy. And then in the code, you can call a built-in method called show real-time price anywhere in your code to get a real-time price. It has two input parameters. The first one is a security object. It can be created by symbol or superSymbol. The second input parameter is the name of the price. You can put ask price, bid price, or last price if it has a last price. For example, Forex only has ask price, bid price. It does not have last price. Let's switch to iBridgePy to give you a demo. So let's go to example show real-time price. For example, if I put SPY, anywhere I need show real-time price, I just put show real-time price. For SPY, I put last price. Right now, the US market is closed, so I should not get any meaningful price. Oh, actually, I have. So this is the SPY actually is not ask price. This is the last price because I put last price. However, if I change it to ask price, it's -1. -1 means there's no real-time price at this moment. At this moment, US market is closed, so that ask price is -1.5, -1.0. However, I put last price. Last price is the last price actually traded, so it has a real price. The next example I'm going to give is, this time I change to AAPL. This is the ticker for Apple company. And let's change this one to AAPL. and ask price. Let's see how it goes. Okay, there is an error message. It says, requested market data is not subscribed. If we go back to this slide, you can see the first item is make sure you have the correct data package. Actually, in my account, I have not purchased the data package for AAPL, but I purchased the data package for SPY. That's why I can get SPY data and I cannot get AAPL data. If you want to get a real-time price from Forex, for example, let's change it to cash USD. There is USD. Ask price. Let's see how it goes. Okay, there's no real-time price for Forex right now. How about try last price? Also, okay, last price is -1. The reason for that is the default value is -1. And because Forex does not have a last price, so it maintains the default value -1 instead of -1.0. If you want to get a real-time price from other contracts other than stock or Forex, you can change it to superSymbol. And for example, we can put future security type equal to FUT. Symbol, let's put SPY. Currency, USD dollar. Expiry, this one should be a string. Let's try December. And context.security becomes a global variable. So you can replace this one there. And let's try how it goes. This one is FUT SPY and last price. Oh, I forgot to put exchange information. So I need to add one is exchange equals to WONE. This is the primary exchange for SPY future. So you can see I don't have the data package. That's why it says market data is not subscribed. But actually, when you see this error message, which means your definition of superSymbol is correct. If you didn't put it correct, for example, you put XYZ there, the error message will be different. So XYZ is not a real future contract. You can see this time, the error message is no secure definition has been found for this request. So it tells you symbol XYZ future is not a valid contract. Thank you very much. For any questions, please send an email to ibridgepie@gmail.com. If you need any help on coding, please check out our well-known Run a Coder service. More tutorials are coming. Please don't forget to subscribe. iBridgePie is an easy-to-use Python platform to backtest and live trading. Thank you very much.